Hi guys! Today we are going to prep a really easy spaghetti from Italy. We call midnight spaghetti because usually what we do, you find you have a meeting together with your friend at home, you talk, you eat, you have a dinner, you play, you drink something. Midnight you say, you know what, we prepare one spaghetti aglio, olio, peperoncino. It's really easy. Spaghetti, chili pepper, garlic, parsley. There is no a recipe. This is not a recipe. This is not the only way you can make this kind of spaghetti. This is just my way. So we start with our spaghetti, salted boiled water, and we start to prepare our sauce. Garlic, I like to use the garlic in two ways. Just cut in big piece that later we will take out and chop it. Pan, extra virgin olive oil, a lot because it's called aglio, olio and peperoncino. So garlic, oil and chili pepper. Now we chop our garlic. It's really powerful pasta. We chop really tiny. Okay, just a bit more because I like it. Okay, this is enough for one portion. If you like, you can put more. If you don't like garlic, don't eat this pasta. So chili pepper. I like to use the dry one. You can use the fresh one, Tabasco, whatever you want, as you like it. Okay. It's ready. Go right away. Cold pan. Always. We heat up a little bit later. Marco, non ho preso il timer. Then parsley. Same. I use just the leaves. If you like it, you can add basil. My advice is to use just fresh herbs, not thyme, rosemary, sage, or herbs too strong. Just something really fresh. Also the parsley we have to cut really fine and tiny. Quickly. Okay. Someone put the parsley at the end. I like to put the parsley in a pan at the beginning. Just my way, my taste. We have a lot, so we'll keep a little bit and we will check later if you want to put more or less. We have to cook gently the garlic, otherwise you just burn. So we want just to heat up a little bit. So all the garlic flavor go to the extra virgin olive oil. The sauce is starting frying, so unsalted water, and we put back to cook. Couple of minutes, and I will take out the whole garlic. The sauce is done. It's really easy. Now we have to wait the pasta. If the time it's 10 minutes, we will cook 8, and then we will finish to cook in a pan. So all the starch go out, and it will make an ice cream. Dai, fino ancora 5. We just wait. Okay. I don't really like the pasta too much al dente, so I prefer to cook a little bit more in the water and then finish to cook in a pan. I think that the pasta must be cooked enough, not too much al dente, not overcooked, enough. Okay. I didn't put any salt inside, so now to help me to make an ice cream, I've used the water where we cook the pasta. So to make an ice cream, it's really important to move the pasta, so the pasta can leave all the starch in a pan and you will have an ice cream. Now we already put that water that is salted. So now that I need more, I use just regular water to finish to cook our pasta. Can you see the cream? It's not just oil, it's not just water, it's a kind of cream. Okay. Well, let's go to plate it. Okay, this is more than one portion. Look that cream. That is really important. The pasta, sorry, must be creamy. Et voilà. Spaghetti, aglio, olio, and peperoncino. If you want, you can put some Parmesan cheese on the top. It's finished. It's the time to enjoy. Ho messo nella macchina della multi.